Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video, we're going to discuss now correspondence. Okay, let's start. Now, correspondence, it is the same orientation of the figure. So given two figures or more figures, so you have now the orientation. So this is topic in geometry. So we have now what we call equivalent parts or value in two figures. So there are equivalents. So those parts could possibly be vertices, angles, or sides. So as an example here, we have triangle ABC corresponds to triangle XYZ. So you can see that's how you read that. So let's explore this example on the next slide. So this is now the given. So triangle ABC corresponds to triangle XYZ. So we need to state the corresponding vertices, angles, and sides. So let's have this one. Okay. So when we talk about this one, let's have the next one. We have now A. The vertex A corresponds to vertex X. As you can see, this is now vertex A correspond to vertex X. Next, we have vertex B, or B corresponds to Y. So there's a correspondence. And then we have C corresponds to Z. Okay, now, when we go now to the angle, so angle A, so you can see this is now angle A, what I'm forming, corresponds to angle X. Now, we have angle B corresponds to angle Y, and angle C corresponds to angle Z. Now, when it comes to the sides, we can work that out on the segment AB correspond to segment XY. Make sure the correspondence, okay? And then we have segment AC correspond to segment XZ. And the last one would be BC, segment BC correspond to segment YZ. So that's how we work on correspondence. Now, let's go now on the other situation. Let's have this new slide. So we have this one, a quadrilateral, so PART, and another quadrilateral named as LOVE. Now the given is quadrilateral PART corresponds to quadrilateral LOVE. Now we need to identify the vertices, corresponding vertices, corresponding angles, and corresponding sides. Now when it comes to the vertices, as you can see, there the vertices are vertex P corresponds to segment vertex L, or yeah. And then we have A corresponds to O, and R corresponds to V, and T corresponds to E. As you can see, there is now correspondence. Now let's go with the angles. So angle P corresponds to angle L, angle A corresponds to angle O, angle R corresponds to angle B, and angle T corresponds to angle E. Now, when it comes to the sides, we have now PA corresponds to LO. We have AR corresponds to OV. RT corresponds to VE. And TP corresponds to EL. So I hope you learned something about correspondence and geometry. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope you learn and you could share this one. Thank you very much. Have a great